Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Etsy app. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Etsy and you click here. In this window of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.